Question: what force propels light forward? This was a question on Reddit. I saw it. I thought I'd answer it because I thought, hey, this is a great chance to talk about physics. So there's a couple really important things here. Number one, imagine that I have a block and it's in space, just like light could be in space, and it's moving. And the question is, what force keeps that block moving? And the answer is nothing. It just moves on its own. So you could look at Newton's second law, which says that the net force, and this is mass times acceleration, there's no force, so there's no acceleration, which means the velocity doesn't change. So this idea that if it's moving, it has to have some force is very, very, very common, but not really right at all. Okay, now we get to light. Light, what makes light move? We actually know how light works. At a certain level, we can explain it as a wave. So we know that we have two of these Maxwell's equations in free space that describe the electric and the magnetic field. And if you use those two and manipulate them together, you get these two wave equations for the magnetic field and the electric field. So the electric field changes and it makes a magnetic field, and the magnetic field changes and makes an electric field. It moves on its own. Okay. But here's another wave that's a little bit easier to see, right? Here's a slinky, and if I take this and I shake it, I'll move right here, I get a wave traveling down the length of the slinky. And what makes that thing move? There's nothing moving that wave, nothing pushing that wave. The medium's interacting with itself. The disturbance pulls up on it and moves something else. Now, light is very different because it doesn't have a medium. It has a magnetic and electric field, and that's kind of its medium. But it's a wave. There's nothing pushing it forward. It just is what it is. Oh, now, light does have a constant speed, 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Weird stuff happens when you start going really fast because different people see that light at the same speed. They all see it as their own 3 times 10 to the 8th meter per second. That's weird. But I think that answers your question, I hope.